Okay, so today we are going to be making a volcano erupt in my backyard. And it's right here.
Dun dun dun!
No. And if we pour this vinegar in right now, it will erupt. 3, 2, 1.
Do ba do boo doo, a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba doo.
Oh God! No, God, please, no, 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 no,
do ba do boo doo, a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba doo.
no,
Liam!
You have to get it right.
No! No!
You're driving me crazy.
no!
It.
No, it's gonna erupt.
That was so little, teeny tiny, right?
I'll go walk the water.
Maybe we need to put more baking soda in it next time. We can wash that.
Now guess what? This is a crazy day. We have a monster truck that we are going to ride.
Huh?
I'm recording.
You excited?
Yeah.
Trunk's open right now.
Yeah. Literally, the trunk's open while we are driving because that monster truck
Baby,
is
buckle up your
so
seats.
big.
What?
I can't believe that we're even doing that.
Why?
Who's that person?
She's just riding a skateboard.
On the
Having a good
street?
time. Why the heck not?
Yeah. I have a feeling this phone's gonna drop or something.
We have to go slow.
Yeah. So, this is what we're doing. We're going, oh my gosh, the seatbelt. So, we are going to a parking lot.
Daddy's right there.
Wait, what?
I told him.
How is Daddy here? Daddy! I'm making YouTube.
Should I put it in your truck or you think it's fine like this?
It's crazy.
Just drive behind me. I'm scared it's gonna fall out.
Daddy is literally... Wait, why is the seatbelt not working?
It should work.
I'm there. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We're going to a parking lot, driving that monster truck, and yeah, we're gonna go super fast over the speed bump and down so fast. We'll go on number 1 speed, which is it's red. It's a rectangle. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna go super speed down the road. It is gonna be crazy. I'll see you guys when we are there. Okay, guys, we're here. And Daddy's driving it.
At the front, it tells you. It's like, see?
Where?
Right there. It blinks.
There we go.
Come on,
Wait.
Eric's about to ride it.
monster.
Wait, let me ride it on the back.
Go, put your head. Wait, no, I want. All right, go now. Fast. Go fast.
I think it might be.
Wait.
Go, go.
Oh my god! Okay, we're driving the monster truck. We are about to go over a speed bump. Oh my god. And I'm trying with no hands. We're going down the road. We're gonna go on number 1. This is so fast. We're going so fast. Wait, it's going like so fast. Oh my gosh, this is going even faster. We're heading down to another speed bump. Okay. That's what's behind us. Okay, we are coming to another speed bump. back.
Oh, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!